Hello angels, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Today's look is all about this beautiful color that I'm wearing on my eyes. It's something that I've never done before on my channel. I think I've never done purple eyes on my channel, and lately I have been obsessed with it. I was just going through my eyeshadow palettes and I just came across this Jaclyn Hill palette. I was just checking the colors and somehow I got stuck on this purple. So I thought, why not to do a video for you all. I'm sure that you all would love it. In case you want to see how did I create the look, keep on watching. I am already done with my base, my powder and my contour because I never wanted you to get bored by looking at the same thing again and again. So I've just saved some time and I'm done with my base. Now I'll start up with my eyes. I'm going to prime my eyes with this soft ochre from MAC, and I'm going to use the Sigma brush P82. I'm going to prime my eyes and I'll cover everything from the inner corner to the brow bone. Now I'm going to dust some loose powder so that my eyeshadow can blend well. And where exactly do I dust this is in the inner corner and the brow bone area. Now I'm going to do the transition color, and for my transition I'm going to use this palette from Huda Beauty. From this palette I'm going to use this color here, and I'm going to use this Morphe brush M573 and apply this color in the transition area. In case you are interested in looking at how I did my base, then you can get onto my Instagram page and I have posted a base video for this, so you can get all the details out there. Whenever you want your eyeshadow to look nicely blended, then make sure that you do the transition really well and you actually take it quite near to your brow bone. I am just intensifying this color a little more because I am going to do nice purple eyes today, and for that you really need a good transition color so that it gets well blended with your main lid color. Now for my main lid, I'm going to do purple, and whenever I do a lid color, I really want to do a nice creme base so that my shadow sticks really well to it. And for this, I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Purple Violet, and I'm going to apply it all over the lid. Now for my main lid color, which is going to be purple, I am going to use this palette from Morphe, which is Jaclyn Hill, and I love the purple that she has in this palette. Although I'm not a very big fan of this color, but yes, the color here is so gorgeous, so beautiful, and I'm going to use this color today. And for this I'm using this brush from Analia. These are brushes by Makeup by Analia, and I really like her brushes. I'll just take this color, I'll pat it off because I'm already done with my base and I really don't want my base to get spoiled. And I'm just going to pat this color all over the lid. Just be careful that you stay inside the crease line. And I'm going to blend it with this duo fiber brush. This is one of the brushes that I got from Urban Decay kit. I'm just going to use this and blend this cream base shadow really well. Now before moving on to the other eye, I'm going to apply my main lid color because I want it to stick well. I just hope that there is no fallout. This color is so beautiful. And by taking the same Morphe brush, I'm going to blend the outer corners of this shadow. Blending makes your eyeshadow look so much better. Keep dusting off if you have any fallout. I'll do the same on the other eye. Now for the outer corners, I'm going to use this color here, which is like a deep brown color, and I'm going to use it as my contour, just in the outer corner. So that it gives some sort of dimension to your eye. And by using a nice fluffy brush, I am going to blend this well. I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Now by using a nice neat brush, which is M513 from Morphe, I'm going to blend all these together. Now for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take this pencil brush from Sigma. The number is not there, I think it's E30. I'm going to take this color and apply it in the inner corner of the eye. I'll apply the same color on my brow bone as well. Just cleaning the under eye area, not to take a chance. Perfect. Now for my lower lashes, I'm going to use this pencil from Kiko, and this is this skin color pencil. It's in the shade 01. I'm just going to line my lower lash using this pencil. How bright the eyes look when you actually outline your lower lashes with a skin color pencil. It makes your eyes look bigger. And now I'm going to use this MAC Graph Black eyeliner kajal and just apply it near my lash line. Just line half of your eyes. And now I'm going to blend the lower lash line using this crown brush, which is this teeny mini tiny brush, and it's beautiful for blending. Now I'll take the same purple color that I've applied on my upper lid, and I'm going to take it in the same brush and blend it with black. Why I actually did this, because when I do black, then after some time there are certain cases, and generally my students also complain that the black gets transferred to the concealer area and it doesn't stay in place. So if you want your black to stay in place, always tap it up with any color shadow so that it doesn't move and it gets sealed there. And now by using this E20 brush from Sigma, I'm going to blend this again. Now I'm going to do a mascara, and for my mascara I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. This mascara has been my all-time favorite, this and Lancome Grandiose. I'm always confused in both of them which one is my favorite. I'll apply it on my upper lashes and then my lower lashes. I think when I do this mascara, I don't feel like putting lashes. Look what difference does it make in my eyes. I'll do the same on the other eye. And now I'm going to do my brows, and for my brows I'm using this eyebrow sculpt from Kiko, and it's in the shade 05. I'm just going to use the back side of this, which is a spoolie, and tame my untamed brows. I'm going to finish off my eyes by using this gorgeous pair of lashes from Iris Lashes. This is by Seema and I love her lashes. They are so gorgeous. Look at the packaging. It's so surreal and it's in angelic. I'm going to put these lashes and be right back. So I'm back with my lashes and now we'll do blush. Since my eyes are really loud, so I'm not going to do a blush which is too popping or too bright. I'm going to do a subtle blush, and for this I'm using this brush from Iris. Her brushes are also amazing. She has sent her set of brushes to me and I'm in love with them. Especially the fan brush and the blush brush. They are my absolute favorite right now. And I'm just going to apply little amount on my cheeks. And now I'm going to add highlighter, and you know that before highlighter I always spray MAC Charged Water Skin Hydrating Mist. This is the fan brush that I was talking about, again from Iris, and I love this for highlight. And for my highlighter today, I'm using this one from Benefit, which is Dandelion Twinkle, because I don't want my highlight to be really popping. This brush feels so soft and is apt for highlighting. And now I come to lips. Again, I don't want my lips to be too bright because my eyes are bright. So I'm going to use this gorgeous color from Maybelline, which is from the Gigi Hadid collection. And this is the shade GG10. I'm in love with this lip color. It's so apt for the look, nothing too bright, nothing too jazzy, and I think with this look it's going really well. I'll just be right back wearing my earrings and just set my hair and see how does it look like. So this is the final look right in front of you, and I am loving it. I love how gorgeous this purple looks on eyes. It's something that I've never done before on my channel, and I'm absolutely in love with this. In case you also like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and please do share and subscribe. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching.